Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Bergman Capital. In this video, I'm gonna talk about QQQ SPY analysis, and at the end of the video, I will talk about Google stock. Let's dive into the stock analysis. So QQQ has some rough times here. As you can see, we closed the week very bearish in the last week with an increasing volume slightly above the average volume. When I look at the previous candles, red candles, you can see the increasing volume, and this last 2 weeks also increasing, and I see here some distribution on QQQ. And what I was telling in the previous videos, so this is the highest key level. So the stock market needs, or the ETF needs to make a new high here, but it did not manage to come up even to this level, and then made a lower low. If I want to visualize it here, so this would be the trend. So lower, higher low, and this is the higher high, and made a almost a lower low, but it didn't undercut this level. And from here, QQQ couldn't make a new high, and it broke down. So as you can see visually here, we made a here lower high. So this low is lower than, sorry, this high is lower than this high, but technically we are still on an uptrend because we still didn't break this low. So this key level is very important. If the price breaks below this level, then technically we can talk about a trend change. And but this chart doesn't look nice at all, so we need some kind of consolidation here. So what I would like to see here is some kind of consolidation. I mean, this is the best case, I would say. So some kind of consolidation and come to the level of the resistance, and from here break up. Otherwise, as you can see, what comes fast and goes up, and what goes up fast and also comes very fast. So this needs to somehow calm down and go sideways, make a consolidation, and then get ready for a fresh bull market. So for now, I'm a bit bearish on QQQ. It's also dragged down by semiconductors, the leading group, and Nvidia, and that's why QQQ doesn't look appealing for traders. And next stock is the SPY. SPY. Let's analyze the trends. We can see the trends here. So higher highs, higher lows, and then we made a here, we got rejected at this level. So I was hoping here last week that it will break out here because it made a consolidation. Let's go into the daily chart. As you can see here, this is the key resistance level. It came to the resistance level, went sideways, and had a bullish pin bar here. And I was hoping that this will break after this consolidation, kind of make this kind of move, but it didn't. So it got rejected here. So this is basically a double top pattern, and double top pattern happens mostly or generally at the end of the trends. So let's see, we don't know if we are at the if the trend is reversing here, but it doesn't look nice. As you can see here, this was also a high volume week, and also here the selling weeks are increasing volumes, and the positive weeks are declining volumes. So this is not positive. So as a trader, I would rather look for short positions in the market than having on the long positions. And let's look at the Google stock. Let's start with weekly. Let's analyze the trend first. And we can see we are trending upwards here. So making here, and as you can see, we broke kind of this level, almost came to this level, and then could not react and made a new low. So you can see clearly here we have two tops, and second high is lower than the previous high, and then this last low is lower than the previous low. So this is obviously a trend reversal. If we also draw our trend line here, so I'm kind of trying to touch at least two lines, and you can see here we also broke down below the long-term trend line. So if a long-term trend line is broken, this might be some trend reversal. So I would be really cautious here. I wouldn't go for a long position. Anyway, I'm also shorting Google at this time, and I would wait for the reaction. If it can somehow, let's have a look, if it can somehow consolidate here and go above the trend line, and from there continue the uptrend. So that would be kind of trend reversal. But if it cannot go above the trend line and break this high, or this high, this Google looks in a bad situation here, and looks like the trend is reversing. So I would be cautious here. And it's also when we look at the moving averages, let's look at the moving averages. What I use on the weekly chart is 50-week moving average, and you can also see that it's a clear close under 40-week moving average. And as the legendary trader Paul Tudor Jones says, that he doesn't own, or he sells his stocks when they close below 200-day moving average, which is in this case the 40-week moving average. So it's better to play defense than the offense, because you never know if this will come up again or if this will crash 50% more. So better to play defense, and hopefully if you entered somewhere here, you keep your profits and to be on the safe side. So otherwise that's a bit tricky here with this Google stock. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed my analysis. If you liked the video, please like the video and subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video.